How to add a payment method in the PopMart app. In this video, I will show you how to do it quickly. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open the PopMart app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on the Me tab at the bottom right of the screen and go to your profile section. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings and then select Payment Method. And then step 4, choose add new payment method and you will see options like credit or debit card, Apple Pay or PayPal depending on your region. Step 5, select your preferred method. For example, if you choose a card, enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing info. Step 6, double check all details and then tap save or add. Step 7, your payment method will now be linked to your PopMart account and available during checkout. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.